Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe. Yes, today's class 7 science subject, and our lesson name is food components part 2, continuation lesson. Yes, last class we discussed that about food contains some components, right? Yes, they are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. This class we are going to learn other components which are present in our food. Those are called as roughages, are also called as dietary fibers. Roughages or dietary fibers. Let's see what are roughages. Where are they present in our food? In today's class we are going to discuss that. So roughages are nothing but a kind of carbohydrates that our body fails to digest. So roughages are nothing but a kind of carbohydrates, a type of carbohydrate which is present in our food. So you get in doubt that are we taking roughages every day? Yes, obviously. If we eat all food, all kinds of food, then we get roughages. Let's see, let's check what are all the food contains roughages, where they are present, especially are these roughages, what are, before going into that detail where they are present, what are the uses of roughages? So roughages helps in free bowel movement. You all know, as soon as we get up, we have to complete our toilet, right? So we should not struggle in our toilets, right? So we need to get a free bowel movement. Our stool should get it freely, comes outside freely. So in order to avoid that strictness or any problem, so we need to have a roughages, and roughages keeps the digestive tract smoothly and softly. So it makes soft and smoother. So the food material inside our tract, digestive tract, it makes it softer, so that we'll have an easy bowel movement. So that it prevents constipation. Coming out hard stool, that hard stool coming out is called, we call it as a constipation. So avoids constipation. See, it helps in free bowel movement, so that it avoids, prevents constipation. Where they are present, all these is such important component, where in which food materials do we find? So we find these roughages are dietary fibers in shredded wheat, that means shredded, those are crumbled wheat, shredded wheat, cereals, fruits and vegetables, sweet and plain potatoes, peas, green peas we find green peas, right? Peas, pumpkins, spinach, that means palak, spinach, apples, banana, papaya and etc. so on. So wherever we find peels, so every fruit and vegetables we find peels, right? Some vegetables, some fruits we eat peels, in some fruits and vegetables we don't eat peels also. So let us have what is the importance of these peels, we'll discuss in later. First, these dietary fibers or roughages are present in all these materials, food materials. So shredded wheat, cereals, fruits and vegetables, potatoes, sweet and plain potatoes, peas, pumpkins, spinach, apples, banana, papaya. Yes, we know that these materials, some materials, we have it with peels. Some materials, some fruits and vegetables, we remove the peels and we'll have it, we'll cook it or we'll have it directly, right? With some peels, students, do you know, so with some peels we make chutneys. Ridge gourd peels chutney we'll make, brinjal chutney we'll make. Next, bottle gourd peels we make chutneys. Next, with bitter gourd peels, they are making chutneys. Radish peels, we will make chutneys. So peels are so important. That means we are making these chutneys and people are making it so tasty, and your parents, that means your parents are making it so tasty and we are having it regularly. That means it has some importance. We notice that peels are having some importance. Banana, we eat some fruits without peels. Tell some examples, guess some examples. Banana, we'll peel off and we eat banana, right? And watermelon, we'll remove that outer peel, inside part only we'll have it, right? Watermelon. And peels, whatever we remove peels. So write and make a list of it, which are the fruits and vegetables we remove the peels and eat. And some vegetables also we remove some peels, right? Ridge gourd, we'll remove the peel. Bottle gourd, we'll remove the peel. Bitter gourd, we'll remove the peel. And drumsticks, some of them also removes the peels also, right? Yes. So few vegetables with peels will have it. Most of the vegetables we eat with peels. We'll cook it with peels, right? Let us see what is the importance of peels. So peels having a rich of carbohydrates and roughages, rich of carbohydrates, as well as most of it contains roughages. That means fibers, dietary fibers. They are rich in nutrients. That means peels are rich in nutrients. Then helps in digestion, which helps in digestion. That means these peels which contains high nutrients, so it makes the digestive tract softer. So now understood why peels are so important. Peels are so important in our food because to avoid constipation, because why it avoids constipation, how it avoids constipation? It contains some fibers, dietary fibers and roughages. So these are very important to help each and every day to get an easy bowel movement. Yes. Along with roughages, to get to keep our digestive tract easier and smoother or soft, water is most important. So water is the most important component in our food. Without water, our food cannot be digested, right? So water is the most important component. Do you know how many glasses of water you should drink daily? 3 glasses, 4 glasses? Yes, it depends upon age. So growing children, you have to drink at least 6 to 7 glasses of water. We adults, we have to drink more water. According to the age, we have to drink water. But we have to drink, all of us have to drink plenty of water. It has more value. That water gives us good digestion and also helps in easy bowel movements. So we drink water, but water also available in some fruits and vegetables. Do you know that? So in which vegetables, in which fruits do you find water? You find, do you notice that potatoes contains water? Yes. If you boil the potatoes or raw potatoes, if you cut it, you find traces of water, right? So little water, few drops of water, ml of water, right? Yes, we find vegetables, fruits, or grapes, oranges, grapes, melons, kheera, tomatoes, and so on. So many vegetables and fruits contains, all types of melons contains water, right? So almost all the fruits and vegetables contain water. So from vegetables, through vegetables and fruits also we'll get water. Now students, these vegetables and fruits which contain water, we cook it and we'll eat. Think, if your mother is overcooking the food, all the water and nutrients will get evaporated, right? So all the nutrients are getting evaporated. No use of eating such type of food. That's why, so always cook the food in a low flame, so that all the nutrients will be present in our food while we are eating. So that gives more nourishment to our body and helps us in easy digestion, right? So water is so important. For this, to understand what are the uses of water in our body, in order to understand, I'll tell you one activity. If you find such materials in your house, you can do it. So take a transparent tube or any tube. You are all having cycles nowadays. In lockdown, we can put our effort on cycling, right? Evening cycling or morning cycling. So if you have an empty cycle tire, any tire, so take that tire, empty tire or round tube also is possible. So take a round tube or a tire, take one piece of sponge, insert it inside the tube or inside the tire. Try to rotate the sponge freely inside the tire by moving your hand. Is it possible? Does the sponge moves directly? So listen to me and try to do that activity in your home. So sponge moves very difficultly. So remove that sponge and keep some drops of water or dip in a water. Now the sponge will get wet. Keep it inside the rope or inside the tube. So now move your tube or a cycle tire. It rotates freely. This activity helps you to understand your digestive tract. So without water, the food we eat cannot be digested. That means cannot move inside our digestive tract. To flow our food freely, we need water. That means we have to drink lot of water, right? So students, try to drink plenty of water. Keep your health safe and fit in these holidays. Thank you.